Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of level 4. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video, I am going to continue the unit number 10, the last unit, which is the solar system. As in the last video, I have explained you about the Earth. Now, let me give you the small introduction about Earth and the movements of the Earth. First of all, what is the meaning of the term astronomer? An astronomer is the person who studies the things in the space, the things present in space. For example, Earth, Moon, Sun, and the 9 other planets. These all are the things present in the space, in the solar system. And astronomer is the person who studies things in space. Now, moving on towards the Earth. As you all know, the Earth is the part in which we live. Now, what is the explanation about Earth? If we said that Earth is shaped like a sphere, so it is almost all right. A sphere is actually a solid circle, but the Earth is not quite a solid circle. The Earth is slightly flattened at the poles at the end, and it is a little swallow in the middle. As well as that, the continual movement within the Earth means its shape is always changing. Not that anyone would notice, not there is a big change, but the change might only be 1 centimeter different each year. So this is about the shape of the Earth. Let me show you a complete diagram of Earth. This is the Earth in which we live. Moving on towards the movements of the Earth. There are overall 3 movements of the Earth. The first one, the revolving Earth, revolution of the Earth. The second one, the spinning or rotating Earth, rotation of the Earth. And the third one, the tilting of the Earth. One by one, I am going to tell you about the revolution, rotation, and the tilting. The revolution of the Earth. The Earth is constantly revolving around the Sun. So are all the other planets in our solar system. Planets are also revolving around the Sun. Earth is also revolving around the Sun. It takes about 365 days, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds to orbit the Sun. And this is how we can measure 1 year. As you know that the 1 year consists of 365 days. Now, moving on towards the spinning of the Earth. The Earth is constantly spinning and rotating on its own axis. And the axis is an imaginary line which is passing through the north and south pole. As you know that there are overall 4 poles, the upper one north pole, the downward south pole, and left hand side east and west. So the axis is an imaginary line which is passing through the north and south pole. It is the spinning movement that gives us night and day. As we know that in our whole 24 hours, there is the night time also and daytime also. So this night and day changes due to the rotation of the Earth. And the last one is the tilting of the Earth. As well as the spinning on its axis, the Earth also tilts. Due to the tilting of the Earth, we get the seasons. As we know, there are overall 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring. These seasons occur due to the tilting of the Earth. This means that some parts of the Earth are positioned closer to the Sun at certain times of the year than other parts, and further away from the Sun at other times of this year. So, this is the whole explanation about the movements of the Earth. I have also explained you in detail in the previous video. So, that is why I have only give you the definitions of these movements. Now, what is your home assignment level 4? You have an activity in your science workbook, page number 38. Read down that activity and complete the activity in your science workbook. Complete activity page number 38 in your science workbook of unit number 10, the solar system. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, level 4.